Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background lines in Excel chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I remove background lines in this sheet. Now you can see here are my chart with a background line. Now I remove this line, select these charts. Now go to chart design option. Now you can see here are add chart element drop down menu, just click it. Now you can see here are lines option. Now here are drop lines, high low lines. Now you can see here are my high and low lines. Now I remove this background lines, go to lines and click none. Now you can see I remove these background lines in Excel chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.